High Revs Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, today's the day. Mental Illest number 2. Coming soon. So it's pretty nasty today. Obviously it's been raining all night, but it's supposed to clean up today. So it's supposed to be cloudy, which is good. Hopefully the moisture will go away. But right now, while it's dirty, I'm gonna go ahead and scrub everything down and get everything ready to go to start painting. Then we're gonna get some stuff taped off. We're gonna do it real, simple and easy, just like we did the other car. I'm not gonna tape off a lot, just enough to get through what we want to do. So let's start stripping her down now. All right, guys, got it all scuffed up. So just used the pad there, scrubbed it all down with a brush, get all the real bad stuff off. Went back and scuffed all the paint, and I'm gonna end up doing the bumpers, the top edge of the bumpers where the body line is there, part of the grill, some other stuff like that. So I got it all scuffed. You can see how scuffy it looks. Took off this piece, the spare tire, the badge, all that stuff. And I'm gonna do the same thing down here, the top edge of the bumper, spray it. So now I think we're about ready. I can get it over to the shop and start drying everything off really good. And then if there's anything else that needs to be sanded a little bit, and tape it up. Right, guys, got it taped up the poor man's way. This worked pretty good the last time I painted that Civic, so I think it's gonna work pretty good again. And anything gets on the windows, we'll just clean them off, go from there. But it's all taped up. All right, guys, so we're getting it all wiped down with some wax and grease remover. So this is the color we're going with right there. So some Rust-Oleum, and then we've got a mixture of browns and some red and some other stuff for the rust. So just all kinds of randomness, nothing special on that. This is the more special color, so, but should look pretty good. Got some mint laid down. Now for some rust. All right, guys, rust is done. So when you're laying down the green, you're gonna get some runs and some little spots and weird stuff. That's fine, because those are just rust spots. So you just add to it, adds character, right? That's the best part about doing stuff. And I don't know, a little rusty mint. Curious to see what it looks like when I get done here. So I got to pull off all the tape and then start cleaning off all the overspray everywhere. Well, started pouring down rain on us as we were cleaning up the car, but we got her done. That looks pretty sweet. So we just cleaned it with Brillo pads, SOS pads, and got the overspray came right off the trim, right off the windows, no issues at all. And I think that looks pretty good. So pulled it in here a little bit so we get the front light bar back on, get the vent back on, So I'm about to back it in just a second so that we can get the spare tire back on and my tag. So that looks pretty good though.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.
Shut